Okay, so a little more about the spiritual journey and materialism. So, between men and women, this is a big divide that I really hope we can heal now, okay? Because the women usually intuitively know that all of the materialism, the house, the home, all the things that the man is trying to provide for her are in order so that they can have time together, sacred time, so that they can, at least the feminine within you, the feminine in life knows this, that all of it is about the time with the children, the time with each other, the love making in the bedroom, and the vacations. That if you spend money on a vacation, you are investing in the woman's heart and soul, and now you're securing the relationship. For men, though, they will often say things, horrific things, that women can't even recover from, like, all that money is wasted on a vacation, on just an experience, instead of I could have bought a car, I could have bought a tractor part, a plow, or a because for him it's about providing in this really physical way, and he doesn't really look at providing for spirit, providing for joy, providing for love to continue. And so the investment in the things that she wants, that are of spirit, that are of heart, that are of that are experiential, that the man will say, that just disappears, that was nothing, I wasted all the money on a whole day. And she'll be like, so you're saying you wasted time by spending time with me, that was wasted money? And she will feel profoundly unloved. And like, this is not a guy worth being with. That I could be in a mansion with him and it would be no fun. I could be on an airplane to Paris with him and it would be no fun, because all he would be thinking about is his material accumulation of wealth and power, rather than his accumulation of love, spiritual development, deepening of growth, heart expansion, heart connection with more people, friendship, community. These are all the things that the feminine is invested in. So if you want to have a happy relationship with a woman, use all of your resources. Every material thing you gain should be in order to create more time with her, more time with spirit, more time with growing your life into an experiential joy. So that the lifestyle of ease and grace and fun and connection and creativity is what all of your focus is always about when you're out there doing your work, gaining some more. So maybe you are buying more tools here and there because you're empowering your work, but you know that is for the vacation, that is for the time off, that is for the time meditating in the cave, that is for the expansion workshop, the tantric training, for your lovemaking. Get it straight, guys. We are here on a spiritual journey. The whole point of getting ourselves strong materially, having a beautiful home, and every object that we own is to enhance spiritual connection. So don't have too many things, because clutter will exhaust your expansion and tie you up in knots with too much materialism. Just have the things that empower your actions that you want to take. Have your sewing stuff if you like to sew, but don't have it if you don't like to sew. In other words, literally every drawer, every cupboard should only have things you're using. And let go of everything else. Give it to somebody who can actually use it. Okay? Lighten your load. Stay true to you. Okay, good. All right.